earning your first $100 from the TikTok Creator Rewards program. After monetization is less about luck or having a huge follower count, and more about understanding how TikTok actually measures value. Many new creators believe they will start earning once they are monetized and a few videos get views, but TikTok does not pay for every view. It pays only for qualified views. A qualified view happens when a real viewer watches your video for several seconds, continues watching without immediately swiping away, and belongs to an eligible higher value audience, especially countries like the United States, United Kingdom, Canada, and Australia. In addition, the video must be at least 1 minute long, original, and engaging enough that people do not skip quickly. Because of this, two creators can both receive 100,000 views and one earns $2 while the other earns $120. The difference is viewer quality and watch retention, not popularity. Your first $100 normally comes from a combination of medium viral videos rather than a single huge viral hit. TikTok calculates payment using RPM, revenue per 1,000 qualified views. For low-value audiences, the RPM can be only a few cents, but for high-value educational or knowledge-based content watched by US viewers, it can be many times higher. That means a creator targeting the right audience might need only around 100,000 to 200,000 good views to reach $100, while another creator making entertainment content for random audiences might need over 1 million views. Therefore, the real strategy is not chasing virality. It is attracting the right viewer and keeping them watching. The most important factor TikTok measures is retention. When you upload a video, TikTok first shows it to a small test group. The algorithm then observes how long people stay. If viewers watch past the first 3 seconds, then the first 10 seconds, and a good percentage reaches the end, the platform assumes the content is valuable and starts recommending it to larger audiences. If viewers swipe quickly, the video stops spreading no matter how many followers you have. Because Creator Rewards pays for longer videos, the ideal format is a structured 60-second video that keeps curiosity alive throughout. A strong opening hook must immediately grab attention. Then a curiosity gap keeps the viewer wondering what happens next, followed by gradual information delivery, a small twist near the end, and finally the payoff. This storytelling structure dramatically increases completion rate, and completion rate is what unlocks distribution and earnings. Choosing the right niche speeds up your first payout. Entertainment, memes, lip syncs, and copied clips usually earn very little because viewers scroll quickly and audiences are global and mixed. Educational storytelling, money tips, facts, tutorials, case studies, and problem-solving videos perform much better because people stay longer to understand the outcome. Longer watch time signals quality to the algorithm and also attracts higher-value advertisers, increasing RPM. Even without showing your face, voiceover videos with subtitles, changing visuals, and small edits every few seconds keep viewers engaged and prevent drop-off. Consistency also matters. Instead of uploading many random videos, posting 2 well-planned videos daily allows TikTok to learn your audience and test your content repeatedly. Over the first 2 weeks, you may earn nothing even if views appear because the system is still identifying who should watch your videos. Around the 3rd or 4th week, once the algorithm finds the correct audience, earnings suddenly begin appearing in small amounts and then grow. Most creators quit right before this stage, assuming monetization is broken, when in reality their videos simply have not reached the right viewers yet. To increase earnings further, content should be understandable globally and not limited to local culture. Avoid heavy regional references and speak in simple, clear English so TikTok distributes the video to broader high-value audiences. Add captions, quick visual changes, and occasional pattern interruptions so viewers do not lose attention. The goal is to keep at least a quarter of viewers watching the entire minute-long video. When several videos achieve moderate success, for example 20,000 to 80,000 qualified views each, the combined revenue typically reaches the first 100 milestone. In practical terms, the first payout usually comes after consistent posting for 3 to 4 weeks once a few videos achieve strong retention. It rarely comes from follower count alone and almost never from short or recycled content. The formula is simple: original 1-minute videos, strong hooks, sustained curiosity, and an audience that actually watches. When those conditions align, the dashboard gradually shows cents turning into dollars, and the first $100 arrives naturally as a result of watch time rather than virality. Give me scene for making 8 second video of every part. Give me all scene with concepts.